Hey everybody. So the solution will need to include, as I said yesterday, geoengineering, um, cutting down the amount of carbon we use through economic strategies such as carbon taxation, carbon dividends, and also changing the types of energy we use. And basically, one of the main reasons for this is that projections show the amount of energy that we're going to use um, drastically increasing. So you can see in this graph here from 2020 all the way to 2050, the amount of energy used by the world because of increasing population is going to increase. And also the places that need the energy are also going to increase, with Asia increasing dramatically. So that adds to the burden here because we're going to need to reduce the amount of carbon. We also are increasing the amount of energy we needed. So that we need that. So that requires us to change the sources of our energy. And basically what this graph shows, and these numbers are really all over the place because it's so uncertain as to how fast the renewables will get traction, and the political pressure and the uncertainty regarding the adherence to the Paris Agreement. But you can see here, no matter what projection you want to think about, renewables will be rising dramatically. And renewables, by renewables, I mean things like geothermal, solar, and wind. And even though in this projection you can see coal increasing, natural gas and petroleum increasing, there are many other projections that show these actually decreasing. And they're going to need to, because in this situation you see all of these are increasing. Renewables may be increasing, but we're still pumping a lot of carbon into the atmosphere. So this is not a very healthy scenario here. But it's, as I said, it's really uncertain. And then you can see here, this is our energy production today, with oil being 37%, and 2035 we're down to 32%. That again is not a very optimistic scenario, because you can see natural gas 25, 26, and renewables only go from 8 to 16. And I think that if we're going to draw down carbon, we need to see renewables getting towards 30, 40% by 2035 for us to stand a chance. But again, a lot of uncertainty, and a lot of it will fall on your shoulders. So that's about it for this module. And I guess this might be my last primer for the class. But anyway, I'll talk to you on Monday.